Everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and next to me I have this brand new 2026 Ford F-350 Lariat Super Duty. This one's in the agate black metallic paint. Beautiful looking truck. It does have the Tremor off-road package and the black appearance package, and this one's powered by the 6.7 liter high output turbo diesel, 6 3/4 foot bed. Dual exhaust. Coming around back here, you do have rear parking sensors and your rear view camera. You do also get a 360 camera on this vehicle. Your different trailer connections for tough bed spray and bed liner. This one does have the power sliding rear window and your tailgate step here as well. LED bed lighting. Coming around to the interior of this truck, you have black Onyx trimmed interior, twin panel moonroof. Really nice bright interior. You do get cup holders that fold down from the center here. These lift up and you do have partition fold flat storage, so you can make that flat if you prefer. Heated outer rear seats, your own climate vents, power options, and storage on the driver and passenger seats. That's your keyless entry keypad there. Power windows and mirrors, of course, power glass adjusting. They're also power telescoping and folding. Driver seat memory, really nice B&O audio system, power adjustable pedals, automatic headlights. Very comfortable front bucket seats that are heated and cooled, and they do have lumbar. Stepping into the vehicle, only 14 kilometers on this brand new unit. 12-inch center display here, really nice heated steering wheel. You got your cruise control and then your different controls for the steering wheel here. 12-inch center display. If I throw it in reverse, there's your rear view and 360 camera. You have your trailer brake controller there, different 4x4 modes, locking rear axle, different drive modes. And then you have dual zone climate, of course, plenty of power options up front, including wireless charging for your phone. You can close this and open it like so. Your heated and cooled seat controls, heated wheel, remote start on the key fob, as well as through the free Ford app. You do get these extra large cup holders that you can use or not, it's up to you. Lots of storage in the center, locking center console with a couple USB ports, more storage over here in the locking glove box and just above that as well. Nice little storage area there. Auto dimming rear view mirrors. One does have upfitter switches, spot for your sunglasses, your sunroof, and your power sliding rear glass controls, and your universal garage door opener. So really beautiful truck all the way around. If you're interested in this vehicle, please reach out to me. You can reach me anytime in the day at my cell, 647-546-9348. You're welcome to text or call me there. You can also reach me at Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon during business hours at 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan. Thank you so much. I look forward to speaking with you and providing you with world-class customer service. Talk to you soon. Take care.